Hello, my favorite people. I think that is going to be like the way I'll be greeting you guys from now. On the days I remember, I'll be saying hi, my favorite people. But anyway, hope you guys are doing good. So today is Monday. I am about heading out of my house. Well, I am not only about heading out, I'm about driving out of my house. Yes. I've been keeping it away from you guys for a little bit. But if you were smart enough to catch a little phrase I mentioned in one of my last vlogs saying that I had to go for a class, yes guys, I have actually been attending driving school for the last 2 weeks, and I've rounded up my school, guys. That's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, I'm yet to actually write my driving exam, but I was asked to come back at the end of the month to come and write the exam. Not sure why, but you guys know that in Nigeria everything is always different, okay? But I drive now, guys, okay? I drive now. This has been such a long time coming. Like, it has become so embarrassing. My mother was telling me, Alma, please, I'm begging you, in the name of God. It has become so embarrassing that you don't drive. Please, my dear, go and drive. Go and learn how to drive. You know, I made up my mind last month, September. I made up my mind that before the end of October, which is the month we are in right now, I should be driving, you know. So woke up one day, I told my husband, take me to the nearest driving school. He took me, paid for my class, 2 weeks, of course, or 2, because me, I cannot come and stress my life, all right? I can't come and stress myself. Imagine me now in this my old age. I'm gonna be learning how to drive manual. When I know there is no manual car, I'm going to buy eventually. When I know that nobody, in fact, when I drive with my eye to even see manual car. Everybody that I know drives an automatic car. So why on earth will I want to go and suffer myself and go and learn how to drive with manual? Please, can somebody explain to me? The white man knows why he made life easier for us by creating automatic cars. Manual cars are too stressful to drive, okay? So why will I want to suffer myself and keep myself to learn how to drive manual car? Why? Maka, why? Oh, it's good to just start driving with manual, because when you drive manual, you can drive anything. And in my mind, I'm like, which anything else am I driving apart from motor? Am I driving trailer? Am I driving truck? For God's sake, she be to drive car to go from point A to point B. So what am I using that one to do? And then somebody else was saying, oh, what about in case of an emergency and the only car available is a manual car? Why would the only car available be a manual car? Why? Why would the only car available be a manual car? Initially, when I started learning how to drive about 11 years ago, I did start with manual, but it was so hard, guys. That clutch, returning to clutch, changing gears. I was just like, I can't do this. I can't do this. So I knew that definitely if I was going to do driving school this time around, I was just going to go straight to automatic, because obviously, if I'm getting a car, it has to be an automatic car. Obviously, okay? And everybody I know drives an automatic car. So please, I cannot come and kill myself, suffer myself because I want to be driving experts. I'm not about to do that. Thank you very much. So yeah, so you guys, your girl is now driving at her old age of 32 years old. I'm not driving. I'm so proud of myself. You guys have no idea. But anyway, yeah, it's been going on well. In fact, my instructor was really proud of my, my growth during the class, because, it was more like I just knew what to do, get into the car and go. Just be careful how to turn, all of that. You guys do not understand that I've driven with my eyes for 32 years. You know how you literally know how to drive without actually driving? You get. So that's basically it. Like, it was not difficult for me to do the basics when it comes to driving, because I've watched so many people do it for so many years that all I have to now do was just to go and practicalize on it, you get. So yeah, so I didn't really have any issues. There was no reason for them to keep me learning beyond 2 weeks. In fact, I didn't even do up to 2 weeks, like 12 days, and I was done. Obviously, I'm still in the learning phase, so of course my hands are not really strong yet, but I mean, I drive all around my freaking location. Like, I drive to the market, all around, So I'm going to be stepping out now. I can't even like drive into town because I don't have a license yet. So I'm waiting to write my exam, get my certificates, then get my license, and then I can now start driving anywhere in Abuja. Super happy about that. Now I can cross that off my list of life achievements. You know, I'm heading out now. Jesse will be accompanying me because obviously I'm driving his motor, and I even should get my learner's permit today so that I can be hanging my L on the car without any hassle for now. So I need a permit to do that, so I will get my permit today. And then let me see what else. So yeah, that's it. Just like a little life update there, guys. A little life update though, that Alma is not driving. The people that were insulting me say that I don't drive. In my old age, I'm not driving DS. So just to let you guys know. Anyway, it's time to go and stock up the house. It's a long market list right now, guys. A long market list. But anyways, let's go. The earlier I start, the better. Guys, I'm driving. This has been such a long time coming, guys. Your girl is finally doing this. Babe, what do you think so far of my driving?
You're trying.
I'm trying, Abby. I know you say that. You love me too much.
You're trying now. Better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday. Yay. Last, Sha. Nothing did the driving.
Stop making mouth.
Nothing day. Nothing day.
Nothing to eat.
Open your open gate for me now. Open gate for me now.
Open.
What's it gonna take for you to show feels? I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me.
My name be this, Lukuman. My name be that. Me the one with fresh. I like coming to the market on a weekday. I don't like coming to the market on the weekend. I know they like coming market weekend. Too much, people too much. Saturday, Friday.
Forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. And much more lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can you figure it out? What's going on in your mind? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me.
Food too cost, Frankfurt. They can't come market. Food is too expensive. Everything is going up every day.
If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even
Guys, so hot. Like Abuja is ridiculously hot. I don't know what's going on. The weather just changed dramatically. Like it hasn't even rained in a couple of days, and the weather is so hot. My God. Thank God I've not even had my bath. That way, once I get home, I'm going to have a proper bath. Jesse is still buying something, so I'm waiting for him, and then I'll get going. Oh God, my hands feel so dirty. Like my hands feel so dirty. I thought we always had sanitizer in this car. I'm going to go and get my permit now, my learner's permit. It's not far from here. We have a VIO office within where we stay, so I don't have to go far to get that. And I was told I can get it today, so from here we're going there. I just have my vlogging camera right here on the dashboard, but you guys that drive, let me know what kind of stand I need for my camera, like, you know, like a car mount for my camera, so that I can be vlogging while driving. I mean, these days so that I can be vlogging while driving. Let me know, because I know that there's actually like some kind of mount. There's a mount that you guys usually use, vloggers that drive. So leave me a link maybe in the comments where I can buy it. Let me reverse so that he can come and meet me. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? The camera is shaky. Let me take it off. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, look at all our kaya. Plus these ones. Babe, now you buy pawpaw and watermelon. Babe, how much did you buy these yams?
4K.
4K. Wow. Things don't cost. What do we have? I want to make vegetable soup. This is ugu. This is water leaf. Let me put them on top of the sink so you wash. What's this? Baby, bought coconut as well. Okay, this is the water from this coconut. Okay. What's that one? Irish. I think I bought this one. What did I buy this? 1.5. I think. He told me 1.7, but I priced. What's this one? Turmeric for Mia's father. This onions 500. Pepper. This one is 300. This one is 300. Attaché. This one I got this basket of tomatoes, like a small basket. This one was like 152, I think. So it was fish. This one was like flour is now 550 for one mudu.
What Christmas number is?
550. What I was buying 300 as at 2 months ago. It's 550 now. How's this? Okay, meat, goat meat and beef for soup. And green. This was 100 naira green. 100 naira green, no, there is plenty like this. These beans, Eliza, 1 mudu. Ask me how much. The last time I went, how much was 1 mudu?
Look at saying 1 plus, right?
1,200 for 1 mudu of beans. God help us. God will help us. Then, just because of the one we have in the fridge, I just bought 1,000 naira plantain. Because we have some in the fridge. What's here? Gari. I bought gari. Gari is how much did we buy a mudu of gari? This one doesn't have butter inside. Even munchies now, they don't have the small one. It's only this big one. They don't longer sell the small one. As in
the next day.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So I'm just editing this vlog, and of course there's no outro. That's why I'm here, okay, to do a little bit of an outro for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed Sunday's live video, because I absolutely enjoyed being live with you guys. It was so much fun, and I was thinking of doing this like once every 2 months, but I'm actually backtracking now and thinking maybe once a month. Let me know in the comments below how often you think I should do live videos, once a month or once every 2 months. Let me know in the comments. And yeah guys, let me just end today's vlog. Today's vlog was mainly to give you guys the live update that Alma is now driving, okay? For those of you who have been wondering, that's it guys. Let me round up this vlog and upload. I'll see you guys in my next one on Thursday. Bye.